Hello, great people. Welcome back once again to my page where we make mathematics easy for everyone. Today we are going to look at some geometrical problems. Here we have a given shape and we are asked to determine the value of k. Now we should note that we have more than one triangle here. So we will approach this from where we have more values to the section where we have less value. We don't know this angle. Please do not ever assume that whenever you have a straight line that angle is 90 degrees. It's not. So, unless proven. So what we are going to do is we are going to find, based on what was given here, this indication here means that these two lengths are equal. And that only happens in an isosceles triangle, which the second property shows that the base angles are supposed to be equal. So let's start this one. This angle here is the first thing we should work for, and we call that angle CAD. So from here, angle CAD, which is this angle, will be equals to angles on a straight line at a point is equals to 180. We've gotten 30, we've gotten 20, so we will have 180 degrees minus 120 degrees minus 30 degrees. And because this is geometry, we must include reason in everything we do. So our reason will be adjacent supplements. Because supplementary angles that are adjacent to each other on a straight line sums up to 180 degrees. Because of that, our angle CAD will be 180 minus 150, and that is 30 degrees. So this point is 30 degrees. With that, we note that this is an isosceles triangle because the lengths of opposite lengths are equal. So all their base angles will also be equal. So we can go on and take that initiative. So therefore, also, angle ACD, which is this angle, will be equals to angle ADC. And both of them will be 180 minus 30. All of them, 180 minus 30, divided by 2 because they are supposed to be equal. What will be our reason here? Our reason here will be angles in an isosceles triangle. Angles in an isosceles triangle are equal to, the base angles are equal. So ACD and ADC will be equal to each other. So 180 minus 30 is 150 divided by 2. That will give us 75 degrees. So this is 75 degrees, this is 75 degrees. Why are we going through all this step? Because we want to work closer to the triangle where K is, so that we can get K. And we need two angles for us to be able to get the third angle. For us to be able to get the third angle. Now, we'll also explore the second option, which is supposed to work faster. But let's be sure. Now, let's get this angle BCD. So, therefore, going forward, angle BCA will be equals to angles at a point of a straight line or adjacent supplement. This is 75. This will be 180 minus 75 degrees, which will give us 105 degrees. And our reason here is also adjacent supplement. So this is 105 degrees. If this is 105 degrees, we can now go to the last step. Can now go to the last step and say, because this is 180 degrees, then our K will be equal to 180 minus 105 minus 30 degrees. And our reason is angles in triangle ABC. Sum of angles in the triangle is 180. That is where we got this 180. This 180 is also sum of angles. This 180 is adjacent supplement. Because of that, the final answer here, our K will then be our K will then be 180 minus 105 is 75 minus 30 is 180 minus 105, that's minus 135, and that will give us 45 degrees. So our K is 45 degrees. This is the process involved. Please remember, for you to go through geometry properly, you have to give a reason for every step you take. You have to give a reason for every step you take. And this is the approach that makes this valid. If you have any question or you need further clarification, please ask. Remember to share this video. Remember to comment. It's very important that I understand or I know how you feel about this video. Remember to comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel and follow my pages. Have a blessed day.